Metal Vortex Gyrating Energizer. This is one of the most latest and strongest Vastuworld product for making your homes and offices disease free. This metal vortex gyrating energizer is either placed on the ceiling with this specific biogeometrical symbol enhanced angle, or you can call it a holder or a hook, which is either placed on the ceiling or you can put it on the wall as well and then hang it on the wall. So if you have a wall and if you have a ceiling where you want to use this product, you can hang this simply by just using 2 screws. This particular product works on the principle of energy amplification through movement. It works on the electromagnetic vibration and the motion. When there is something moving, there is a magnetic field created. So what this does is, due to different surfaces, different shapes and different edges and a very strong symbol in the center and the movement, it helps generating vitality and personal growth for the people who are feeling themselves a bit depressed. It also helps, if you are putting in a particular direction, remove the anxiety and worriedness. So you can put it into the zone of northeast southwest or northwest southeast, and in this zone there are different processes, and which zone is good for what can be seen on the screen. But what you need to do is you need to align it to the energy point. This is a simple tool. This is a self-help product which you can use it to make your homes disease free. Metal Vortex Gyrating Energizer.